Alright folks, this is your friend Rish coming back at you from Republic of Sellers, and in this video we are going to look at how does Amazon's ad platform work. You need to understand these fundamentals behind Amazon's ad platform, because if you do not understand these things clearly, you will not be able to make the right decisions when you're optimizing your PPC campaigns. Now, this video is a part of a bigger video which I have created very recently. It is the PPC fundamentals course. So if you want to check that out, you can check it out after you watch this video. Alright, so let's get into the video right away. Alright guys, now let's look at how does the Amazon platform work. So Amazon is an ad bidding platform. So I don't know if any one of you has ever been to an auction before, but what happens in auction? In an auction, there's an item, all right? There's an item which people bid for, and whoever bids the highest gets that item. It is the same with Amazon. In Amazon, they have these ad spots, which we just saw in the previous slides. They have these ad placements defined on their platform, and whoever is willing to pay the most to get on those spots will get the spots. That is what it means, all right? And we will get to the details of this process later in the slides when we are looking at the bidding, when we are going to set our bidding. But that is what it means. So whoever bids the highest for a placement gets to be there. That is the core mechanism behind it. But you must also remember one important thing, and that is the second point on the slide, which basically means that, all right, before I say that, I want you to know, and I want you all to understand that for Amazon, customer is king, customer is God, and customer is everything. So it does everything for customers, even if it itself incurs a loss. All right, so remember that. And with that thought, I want you to understand this second part, or the second point. So it doesn't matter if your ads, if you are paying the highest for certain keywords, all right? It doesn't matter if you're paying the highest for certain keywords, but if your ads are not converting, what it means is that, let's say you show up on the first page at the first spot because you were bidding the highest, but nobody was purchasing from your ads, all right? So people were clicking on your ads, but nobody was purchasing from your ads. So for Amazon, that's a bad customer experience. Amazon figures it out very quickly that, hey, people are clicking on this ad, but they're not buying anything, and they're even leaving Amazon.com's platform. So I'm not gonna give this advertiser this spot. So even if you pay the highest, if you have a bad listing or a bad offer, and if you do not get sales and conversions on your product, Amazon would not give you that place in the future unless you refresh your system, you fix some things, and you try again and you fix those mistakes. All right, so remember that. Alright folks, I hope that video was very useful, and I hope it cleared a little bit of your doubts and it helped you understand how does the Amazon's ad platform work. Now if you have any more questions around PPC, please drop them down below in the comments, and if you want to win a one-on-one call with me, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and send me a message on Messenger saying I want PPC, and I will send you the free PPC course right away. Alright, I will see you in the next video.